Start your computations.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Zoe here if you're new today. I'm back with another video and I'm super excited today. I'm going to be doing a hair transformation. Obviously, as you can see, I don't know what's going on with Miss Girl up here. The video is brought to you guys by UNice Hair. When I first started my YouTube channel, I partnered with UNice Hair and I am partnering with them again. And we are gonna get the real tea and see if they are still hitting like they were back in the day. The package came in this really cute box. It actually says Merry Christmas on it. It has a little reindeer. I was supposed to record this video a couple days ago, but I did catch COVID. Terrible time. So I am now starting to feel a little bit better. It also came with a really cute mini stocking, and it came with a bunch of different things like clips and lashes and stuff like that. Today we are going to be trying out a V-part wig, which I've never used before. I've only used U-part wigs and like obviously lace frontals, lace closures. So this is going to be a first for today, and this is what it looks like. It was originally a body wave texture, but I did straighten it, and it looks like it's about like 24 inches, I believe. So it is pretty long. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. It has basically the 4 clips in a V shape, and then it has like the tracks, has some clips on the sides as well, and then it has the elastic bands. My only fear with this unit is that I have a really small head, and a lot of times units don't fit me like that. So that's my only really fear about this. But as of right now, I mean, the hair is really soft, and I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with it. And my hair looks pretty insane right now. I actually just got a sew-in taken out of my hair, and I actually really love sew-in, so I'm excited for this unit because it's kind of the similar concept of having your own hair out in the front and then just having the hair extensions to do. And I'm gonna speed up this process. But I am basically going to brush out my hair and wrap it in the back, and then I'm gonna create a V cut right here.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Separated my hair, so I have the front chunk out that is going to be the leave out, and then I brought up the sides as well. I don't know exactly how it's going to lay, but just in case that I do have a little bit room on the sides. So my good sis is on. And I actually want to pat myself on the back for how accurately I estimated that to be. Upon putting it on, I'm not gonna lie, it feels humongous. But it does feel secure. Like the clips up top feel really secure and everything, so I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with it like sliding off or anything. Okay, so I do have a clip right here. I am not mad at her. Okay, so let me get my flat iron and flat iron my leave out, and then we're gonna see what it's like really hitting for.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
I'm gonna take some argan oil of Morocco just to kind of like blend it out a little bit. This is what it is looking like. To be honest, Like, she's kind of, is she giving inches? So I wish y'all could like see the full vibes. Okay, is she giving? Is she cute? I think she's cute. Like, okay. Surprisingly, for it to be as big as it is laying pretty flat. I honestly can't complain too much about how it's looking up top. I feel like it's blending really, really well. My natural hair is doing good. As you guys can see, this is why I left out the hair on the side, so that, you know, if I wanted to go like that, it's still looking like it's supposed to. I can put it behind my ears and everything, and it's not looking like super duper crazy, which is upon like dragging my hand through the hair as well, it doesn't seem like it's gonna tangle crazy. And I mean, overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Y'all are probably gonna see me out and about in this often. I think it's just a super easy way to throw on, you know, some extensions and really give the length and the volume that you want without having to do too much to your own hair. And I genuinely don't have really anything bad to say about it. UNice, you might have did the damn thing today, okay? And if you are new to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.